To connect a Phantom wallet to Nodepay, start by creating a Nodepay account and logging in to access the dashboard. Ensure you have the Phantom wallet extension installed on your computer. From the dashboard, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. If a wallet is not already connected, you will see the option to add or connect a wallet. If a wallet is connected, you can click Change Wallet to proceed with the same steps. Select the option to add or change your wallet, then choose whether you are using a ledger or not. Click Verify, and then select Phantom from the list of available wallets. If the extension is installed correctly, it should be detected, allowing you to click on it and then verify again. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to confirm the connection. After confirming, you will be asked to connect your wallet via email. Ensure the email address and wallet address are correct. Then click Send Email to receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click Confirm your wallet to complete the connection. This will open a new tab indicating that your wallet has been verified. And you can return to the dashboard. Once you have returned to the dashboard, you can verify that your Phantom wallet has been successfully connected to Nodepay by checking your profile icon.